Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today I am bringing you a nice spring haul. And yes, it's still winter time. It's coming to the end of January, but who isn't ready for spring? I am. I don't know about you, but I am. I mean, the nice warm weather, vacations, spring break for the kids. I'm ready for it all. So I definitely wanted to bring you a spring haul. And if you check out Shein, which is what this haul is all about, mainly about. Anyway, Shein has brought out their spring collection already. So I picked up a couple items so that I can show you. And just to start off this haul, I have some items that were gifted to me by a company called Beekind. And they are all about saving bees. And if you watched the bee movie, if you have kids and you watched it with them, then you understand the importance of bees and the earth. And to be honest, before watching this movie, I have to say that I was not educated on bees and what all they did for us and for our planet. Honestly, it was just, okay, they annoy me or I don't want to get stung by them. That was my thought. But after watching the bee movie, I mean, I'm like, okay, they help us a lot. So let's be kind to our bees. So that's why when doing this collaboration with Be Kind, I was excited to do it. So they have a lovely jewelry line that also their proceeds help bee colonies. So inside the package, you get this nice envelope with a thank you note. A thank you note inside, and it says on here, we would love to reach out and thank you for your order from Be Kind Shop. A portion of your purchase was contributed towards saving bees and helping them develop colonies safely. We hope that our product will not only put a smile on your face, which it does, but also remind you about the good cause that you are now a part of. Welcome to the Be Kind family. So this is so cute, and it has a 20% off code on the back for your next order. Also, their contact information if you have any problems, missing items, or need to return for any reason. And then also it has a code on the back wanting you to share on social media your purchase, your love, and when you do, then you'll receive a $20 gift card. So that's cool. And also the size of this, lovely. You can use this not only for your codes, your information, but perfect size for a bookmark as well. Now, also in here, this is so cute, but it came with little stickers, and I was excited about these as well. Not like I'm playing with stickers, but my 2-year-old niece is infatuated with stickers, so I can give these to her. So I also wanted to show you this lovely packaging. So every jewelry item comes in this box. It comes in this packaging with a cute sunflower on it, and it says, especially for you. Now here is the first item, and it is this beautiful sunflower, and it is sterling silver, and it has this cute like the actual flower itself is a different color than the silver, but it's so cute. And I'm gonna put a picture up here so you can see it up close. Also, is this beautiful ring. And it also has a sunflower on one side. The other side it has a leaf, and it's so cute. I love that it's open, so it's adjustable for any ring size. And you can wear this like I have it now, or you can wear it like this for it to be up on your finger more. Maybe I should try it on a different one. So you can definitely wear this with other jewelry pieces. And since the flower itself is a gold and the rest is silver, sorry, I'm trying to adjust it. There you go. And the rest is silver, then you can pair this with both your silver and gold jewelry. So definitely will get a lot of wear out of this one. So cute. Now the next item is this here bee bracelet. And this one is, I mean, the detail of it is gorgeous. It has these little gold accent balls going around. And as you see, the length of the clasp, you can adjust it to your arm. So if you have a larger wrist, it'll fit you. If you have a smaller one, it'll fit you. So here is the bracelet on. So cute and dainty with a little bee on there. That's so cute. And I wanted to show this one in the packaging so you can see how cute it is in the box. So here is the other necklace. And this one says on it, it's kind of hard to see, but it's on the heart part of it, and it says, "You are my sunshine." And it has the cute sunflower in there. And as you can see in the middle, it has like a little rhinestone in the middle of the flower. So very cute. And I will put this one on so you can see it on as well. Okay, here's the You Are My Sunshine necklace on. And it's so cute. It's like the sunflower one. So you have some length here where you can put it on different, I never know what to call these. I call them hooks, but I know that's not the right the right word for it. But you can put it on different links. You can put it on different links if you like, so that it is longer or shorter. But very cute, very dainty. Again, sterling silver. And this one is, I mean, with the little heart and the flower, it's just so cute. So yeah, again, thank you to Beekind for sending me these lovely items. And I am going to get this haul started, and I will incorporate the jewelry pieces in there so you can see them with the spring fashion. So here we go. This first dress is everything. It screams spring. All the vibrant colors, and I love the shape of it. No need for shapewear in this dress. It hides the tummy very well and flatters the figure. The only problem with this dress is how high it's slit in the front. As you see, you can see all my business in this dress. So safety pin is definitely needed. And if you are savvy and can sew, then you may want to sew it down a little in the front. Here we have a neon green crop top. It's a bubble style all around, even the sleeves, and I love the way it fits on. It is a little tight on the arms, and I do need help getting it off because it's so tight on the arms, but I do like that it stays in place. A lot of my off the shoulder tops will try to ride up, but because it's tight on the arms, it's not moving anywhere once you have it on. And paired with this pink, hot pink or fuchsia wrap skirt, it's just so cute. The vibrant colors together is beautiful. Next, we have this sheared lantern sleeve dress. It has beautiful spring flowers all over, and I love the teal color of the dress, and the ruffled hem just adds more to it. But it is so cute. It's very comfortable. You can slide it right on over your head. The top is cut a little low, so I did have to pin it. But overall, this dress is just beautiful and it fits so comfortably. Because a lot of people go on nice vacations on their spring break, I couldn't leave the swimwear off of the spring haul. So this is a nice, fun, bright floral swimsuit. It has ruching on the sides, and you can tie it to make it ruche up more or tie it looser so that it comes down all the way on the sides. Also, I have this nice bright orange cover up, and you can wear it as I have it here as a sarong, or you can wear it where it's tied around your neck, crisscross and tied around your neck. And I love it both ways, especially with this swimsuit and the colors. The orange just adds a pop to it. So it's very nice, fun, bright, and vacation ready. Here's another fun cover up. This one is hot pink, long sleeve. It's open at the top to show off your swimsuit, but you can still see your swimsuit through the cover up because it's nice and sheer. And it has drawstring ruching in the front that you can pull up and have it ruched more, or you can tie it looser and have it a little longer. Last but not least is this beautiful three-piece swim set, and this is a halter bikini top and bikini bottom, which are black, and it comes with this beautiful printed cover-up dress, and it's open on the sides and in the back, but attached in the middle of the front of the cover-up. So it's so cute. It almost looks like a dress that you would wear, but it's just a cover up. And it's so cute. I love the zebra print on it, or mix of prints, I should say, and the mix of colors. All right, guys, that comes to the end of this haul. I hope you enjoyed. I hope you hit that subscribe button so that you come back and see many, many more of my lovely hauls. And on my channel, I have many videos of fashion, lifestyle, and also lately a lot of crafting. So whether you're here for the fashion, crafting, or just the lifestyle, definitely come back and stop by because I have it all here for you. So I will see you next time, Remy's Beauties. Bye.